what inspired you all both to write on Parrikar?
So, in terms of tangible political achievement, Parrikar is Goa's only and first union cabinet minister. Goa, on the national scale, Goa is a politically very insignificant state because we hardly have any. We have 2 MPs, 1 Rajya Sabha MP, 2 Lok Sabha MPs, and 40 MLAs. Hardly anything on the national scale, seen. So Parrikar broke that barrier and became the first union cabinet minister of this country by his appointment as defence minister. Second thing about Parrikar is that his 20 years in politics in Goa has left an indelible mark on the manner in which politics is conducted here. He was also the country's first IITian chief minister, which is also a big deal. So every reason for us to write this biography. Every reason.
पृथ्वीकरांचे लाईफ हे पूर्णपणे म्हणजे संघर्षमय अशी ती कहाणी म्हणजे ताजेर बरेच फिल्म जाऊ शकता अशा पद्धतीची ती कहाणी. दुसरी गोष्ट तांच्या जीवनाचेर एकूय बायोग्राफी नाशिल्ली इंग्लिशीतली. सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट बायोग्राफी इन इंडिया अँड इन गोवा ऑफकोर्स इन इंग्लिश. सो तांच्या जीवनापासून नव्या पिढीन प्रेरणा घेवची, इन्स्पिरेशन घेवचे त्या हेतून आम्ही एकत्र आयले आणि हे बायोग्राफी बरयली. तांच्या जीवनांतल्यान जे नवे लोक जे तरुण इलेक्शन हातून येवपाक सोदता राजकारणात तांच्या मुखार थोडे आदर्श आसचे, आयडियल्स आसचे आणि असो विचार केलो आणि त्या दृष्टिकोनांतल्यान हे पुस्तक आम्ही बरयलें.
And the next question, my question is for you. Like, you have been a major critic of Parrikar, and then you later go on to write this book. So, what is your say on this?
See, our job as journalists is to question, and because of questions, if you are called a critic or if you are called any other name, I think it's perfectly fine because I'm doing my job, and I really don't care what names or attributes people attribute to me. I mean, call me by. That's perfectly fine with me. Writing a book and a book which is referred to as a balanced biography, I think is a big deal for both of us as writers, and I think there can be no better compliment for someone who writes a biography or a pair which writes a biography when people say it's a balanced and unbiased book. I think that answers the question.
Yeah. So next question is that how difficult was it for both of you all to authenticate the information then pen it down?
नाही, पर्रीकरांचे पुस्तक बरोवप आमकां तशें सोंपें आशिल्लें कारण आमी पर्रीकराक डे टू डे लायफान पळयल्लो, नेहमीच पळयल्लो. म्हणजे फाटली 24 वर्षां 23 वर्षां तरी सामकें लागच्यान पळयली त्यांची कारकीर्द. त्यामुळे आमकां बरोवप तशें सोंपें आशिल्लें. आमी नेहरूचेर, टिळकाचेर किंवा आगरकराचेर किंवा सावरकराचेर बरोवना, तर आमी पर्रीकराचेर बरयले ज्याच्या वांगडा आमी दैनंदीन जिवनात डेलीच संपर्क येतालो, पत्रकारिता करतना संपर्क येतालो, अनेक गोष्टींतल्यान तांच्या वांगडा संवाद जातालो. त्यामुळे पुस्तक बरोवप तशें सोंपें गेलें. पण तांची जी बालपणां आशिल्ले, तांचे हायस्कुलांतले दिवस आशिल्ले, तांचे IITतले डेज आशिल्ले किंवा संघ स्वयंसेवक म्हणजे सुरवातीचे दिवस आशिल्ले, ताजे आमी साक्षीदार नाशिल्ले. पण ताजे मित्र, ताचे वांगडा काम केल्ले संघाचे कार्यकर्ते, BJP कार्यकर्ते, BJP लिडर किंवा ताका ज्यांच्यांनी मार्गदर्शन केले अश्यो व्यक्ती ह्यो सगळ्यांच्या आमी कॉन्टॅक्टान आयले, तांकां वचून मेळ्ळे, तांचे ल्हानपणाचे मित्र मेळ्ळे. विशेष म्हणजे ताचे 2 भयणी, ताचे 2 भावांक मेळ्ळो हांव, ताचे 2 चल्यांक मेळ्ळो. म्हणजे म्हाका तर अशें दिसलें की म्हज्या पयलीं खंयचोच जर्नलिस्ट ताच्या सगळ्या फॅमिली मेंबर म्हणजे जांकां हांवें आतां नांव घेतली तांकां वचून मेळूं नाशिल्लो. तांकां मेळ्ळ्या नंतर जे फर्स्ट हँड इन्फॉर्मेशन मेळ्ळें तातूंतल्यान एक पुस्तकाचो साचो तयार जालो.
Mayabhushan, do you want to add something to what Sadhguru said?
No, the information gathering part is the most important part in the book. Writing comes after you gather information. So, and for that particular part, the majority of the responsibility was Sadhguru's, who did a very exhaustive job of collecting information from family, friends, colleagues, opponents, foes, everybody, and people who used to work with Parrikar at that point of time. And one of the hallmarks of this particular book is the depth of information which we have collected, corroborated, and archived in this particular book. I think if anything which stands out in the book, it is this particular aspect.
Yeah. So many people have found this book very emotional. So was it the same for both of you all while writing this book?
Especially the last part, if we refer to the last part, we have been through that process as journalists, covering that whole year where his health faded and things went a little crazy. in Goa. So, because we were familiar with the process, writing it was relatively easy, but the manner in which the first chapter has evoked reactions, I think stands out. A lot of people have written to us saying it is very emotional. A lot of people have cried on Facebook while written that they've cried on social media when they described the book. And I think it was a conscious decision on our part to put the last year of his life up front, so that it makes the reader understand that this was the summary of his life. At the end of the day, for the most powerful person in the state, this is how he fades away.
पर्रीकरांच्या जीवनातले अनेक जे किस्से असतात, अनेक ज्यो घटना असतात, तातूंत प्रेरणा घेवप, इन्स्पिरेशन घेवप अश्यो खूप गोष्टी असतात. आणि खंयचोय लेखक तांचेर बरयतना थोडे तरी इमोशनल जावपाक जाताच. आणि दुसरी गोष्ट, जेन्ना तुम्ही इमोशनल पद्दतीन लेखन करता तेन्नाच ते लेखन चड नॅचरल जाता अशें म्हाका दिसता. इमोशनल पद्दतीन लेखन करतानाच केवळ स्तुती 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 अशें न करता, स्तुती करतानाच तांचे बरे ते बरे म्हणटानाच तांचे जे काही निर्णय चुकले ताचो देखील नोंद घेवप, म्हणजे इतिहासान ताची नोंद घेवचीच पडटा, तरच ते बूक परिपूर्ण जाता. तरच ते बूक पुढच्या विद्यार्थ्यांकूय दिसतले की हे रेफरन्स पुस्तक म्हणून आपण हाचो हे घेवं जाय. केवळ एकांगी विचार मांडून ते जायना. आणि ह्या पुस्तकाची खासियत अशी झाली की बॅलन्स्ड, म्हणजे कोणाक जर विचारले तर तुम्ही खूप बॅलन्स पद्दतीन बरयला अशें 99% तरी लोक सांगतात. म्हणजे म्हाका अशें केन्ना केन्ना दिसता की पुस्तक जेन्ना बरोवपाक लागले तेन्ना शेवटचो चॅप्टर आमी पयलीं घेतलो, त्यामुळे थोडो इमोशनल पयलीं भाग आयलो. 2-3 चॅप्टरांत ते दिसून येता. पण नंतर पुस्तकाचे पूर्ण हे म्हणजे वस्तुस्थिती सगळी मान्य करून ताजें लेखन जालां. त्यामुळे एका ते देवाचेर बरयले अशें न्हू, पण एखाद्या बऱ्या लिडराचेर पुस्तक बरयले आणि ती बायोग्राफी पेंग्विनान त्या पद्दतीनूच लोकां मुखार हाडली.
How has been the overall response since the book hit the stores?
The response has been phenomenal. Unfortunately, because of the lockdown things, like I'm sure you had a delay getting a copy. We haven't got our copies yet, but we ourselves had to buy these copies from the market and read it from a book. But the response has been phenomenal. Pre-bookings, the book went into reprint 2 days before launch, which I think has rarely happened in Goa.
Right.
So, and if you see on social media, we've been aggressively pushing the book on social media, and we're getting a lot of engagement, which I think is the most healthy part about it. The engagement primarily comes from young kids who are reading the book. I mean, for some it's the first book they've read, and I think to get someone to go to a store or log in online and buy a book and get someone to read it, someone as young as that, I think is a big deal. And this is, I think, one of the most significant aspects of our journey here, getting young people to read it.
So this question is for both of you all now. Which is your favorite chapter? And
I like food. The food chapter is my favorite chapter.
okay, and you, Sadhguru?
नाही, पर्रीकर अँड मिडिया, तांच्या मिडिया वांगडा जे रिलेशन आशिल्ले ते दाखोवपी जो चॅप्टर आमी बरयला तो चॅप्टर म्हाका खूप आवडलो अशें दिसता. आणि हांवें काही ताजे जे बालमित्र आशिल्ले पर्रीकर तांकांय विचारलो, तर ताणें म्हाका 1-2 जाणांनी सांगले की मेसेजूय धाडले की हो चॅप्टर आपल्याक खूप आवडलो म्हणून. आणि दुसरी गोष्ट कितें की आमी मिडिया म्हणजे पत्रकार म्हणून तांच्या वांगडा व्यवहार करतना, तांचे मुलाखती घेताना, त्यांच्यो प्रेस कॉन्फरन्सीन तांकां प्रश्न करताना त्यांचे राग लोभ सगळे आम्ही अनुभवले आणि पचयले बी. म्हणजे आम्ही त्यांचे राग लोभांतल्यान आम्ही पयस वचूना तांच्या पासून केन्ना. 22 वर्षां तांकां पत्रकार म्हणून कव्हर केले, तांच्यो मुलाखती घेतल्यो. सो तातूंतल्यान आमकां तर अशें सुद्दां एक संदी मेळ्ळी की एक दीस पर्रीकरा खातीर आमी दिल्ली गेले, राज्यसभेनूय साक्षीदार जाले ताच्या कामाचे. ताचे साऊथ ब्लॉकान जे कॅबीन आशिल्ले ते कॅबिनानूय आमी बसले. मागीर पर्रीकरान आमकां प्रकाश जावडेकरा कडेन इंट्रोड्यूस केले. सो हे सगळ्यो गोष्टी ज्यो घडून आयल्यो त्यो पर्रीकरांच्या बरोबर आमी म्हणजे पत्रकारितेचो भाग आसतना घडून आयल्यो. आणि तांच्या विशयी जो मिडियांतलो जो चॅप्टर आयलो हे सगळ्याचे रिफ्लेक्शन त्या चॅप्टरान पळोवपाक मेळटा.
Since the English version of this book has been selling like hotcakes, so is the publisher wanting it to publish it in other languages like
Yeah,
Marathi
we are-
and Konkani?
We are extremely keen. See, because the book has just been launched, right? But considering the feedback we've got through social media and through our friends in the rest of the country, there is a very high possibility of us translating the book into Hindi and Marathi for at the outset at least, because we are getting a lot of feedback that English may not be enough to cater to readers in these particular parts. So, Sadhguru?
पहिली प्रायोरिटी असतली की हिंदीन पुस्तक येऊ जाय, कारण दिल्ली उत्तर प्रदेश आणि हिंदी बेल्टान पर्रीकरचे चाहते खूप असतात. तांकां वाचप पर्रीकरा बरोबरचे एक्सक्लुझिव्ह इन्फॉर्मेशन. त्या पुस्तकाचे एक वैशिष्ट्य म्हणजे केन्नाच खंय छापून येवना अशा पद्धतीचे सुद्धा बरेच इन्फॉर्मेशन आसा. ऑफकोर्स थोडे तांच्या लोकांक काही खबर आशिल्ले, परंतु अनेक जाचेर केन्ना चर्चा जावना अशा पद्धतीचे अनेक गोष्टी असतात. तांच्या दिल्ली डेट्सच्यो गोष्टी असतात ज्यो उपेन जोशी सारख्या बऱ्या तांच्या प्रामाणीक ऑफिसरान आमकां सांगिल्ल्यो. सो अश्यो अनेक गोष्टी ह्या पुस्तकान मेळटा. सो पहिली प्रायोरिटी अशी आसतली हिंदीन, मराठी आणि मागीर कोंकणींतय हाचे आवृत्ती काडप किंवा ताचें ट्रान्सलेशन करून घेवप, हाकाय आमची प्रायोरिटी आसतली.
Last question is that what message you want to give the youngsters who want to write and be further authors? So how difficult it is to find a publisher? Like your take on that?
So we'll just explain how we went through it, right?
Yeah.
So Sadhguru had already written a book. It was already out in Marathi. So we came together and we thought we'd write another one, so we wrote one. So the first thing we did after we wrote 3 chapters was we found an agent. Now the agent is often a key to getting your book published, right? So we had a very good agent. His name is Kanishka Gupta. He's based out of Delhi. So he's the one who spread the word around that there are a couple of guys who've written a biography, or writing a biography, and he spread the word out amongst the publishing world. The publishing world got back to him, and we had a Penguin signed up us in how many months? Within 1 month.
Yeah.
That's also, it's not just us, it's also the subject which we were writing about. And so the key is find an agent, send him a pitch. A pitch note has to have 3 chapters and why you're writing the book. Right? So, and take it forward from there, and never write anything which you are not happy about. Write something which is really extraordinary. Whether it's good or bad, it's got to be extraordinary. Good doesn't work, bad doesn't work, average doesn't work. Write something that is exceptional.
कितें प्रश्न आशिल्लो?
What is the advice to young writers?
नाही, यंग रायटर्स गोंयांत विशेषतः जे आसत न्ही, आमी खूबदां कितें करताले की पुस्तकां बरयली की गोंयचेच प्रकाशक घेवन ते पब्लीश करताले, त्यामुळे ते गोंय पुरतेच मर्यादीत उरताले. सो म्हाका एक असो मेसेज दिवपाक जाय की गोंयचे कवी आसूं, लेखक आसूं, कादंबरीकार आसूं किंवा इतिहासकार आसूं, पुस्तक बरयल्या नंतर ताचे राष्ट्रीय स्तराचेर स्वागत जावं जाय किंवा राष्ट्रीय स्तराचेर पावपाक जाय, त्या वाचकां पर्यंत पावपाक जाय. म्हणून ताजे ते पुस्तक राष्ट्रीय प्रकाशक पळोवपाक जाय, नॅशनल पब्लिशर पळोवपाक जाय, आणि नॅशनल पब्लिशरा मार्फत पुस्तक काडले तर ताजे डिस्ट्रीब्युशनय अक्रॉस इंडिया जाता. आणि आपण जो विषय मांडटा, आमी खूप घाम गाळलेलो असता, खूप कष्ट घेतलेले असता, पण सर्क्युलेशन जर जावना तर ताका अर्थ उरना. पण नॅशनल पब्लिशरा वांगडा जर तुम्ही टायअप केले तर त्या पुस्तकाची प्रसिद्धी खूप जाता, डिस्ट्रीब्युशनय जाता, आणि वाचकांकडे पावल्या कारणान लेखकाक एक समाधान मेळटा. बरें आसूं वायट आसूं पण आपले पुस्तक लोक वाचता हे समाधान मेळटा. ताच्या खातीर म्हाका दिसता यंग रायटरांनी राष्ट्रीय प्रकाशकांकडल्यान आपले पुस्तक स्विकारले वतले अशा पद्धतीन ताजें लेखन करचें.
And that is possible because you can see the book. Earlier probably people had doubts whether it could happen, but I think this book is proof that a young writer from here can get published outside, can easily get published outside if you work hard enough.